Yo, what is up guys, it's Leon and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today in this video we have the MacBook Pro 2019 version. This is the base model with the 250 GB. So let's go ahead and flip this box upside down, and we have some of the specifications of this Mac over here. It says over here MacBook Pro. And yeah, here's some of the specs. I'm just gonna zoom in for you guys. Let me just keep this down. And yeah, focus up. You guys can pause the screen if you want to see this. So yeah, it's a 13-inch, by the way, I forgot to mention that. Yeah, it's a 13-inch MacBook Pro 2019 version. So let's just flip this box onto the correct side, and let's go ahead and open this tab over here. Just gonna slowly open it all the way up. Okay, I just didn't come off properly. Okay, anyways, let me get the bit of the plastic on the bottom, and let's slide this box open. So just gonna go ahead and gently lift it up. It should slide open like all Apple products. Okay, let me just help it a bit. Okay, and there we go. We have the MacBook 13-inch. MacBook Pro, I mean. And let's just take it out over here with the tab. Let's first set it aside and see what the contents in the box are. We have the USB-C to USB-C charging, the quick charger. So it's a really long cable. I can use it if my wall outlet is far away. And we have some of the booklets over here. And this, we have the user manual, some of the guides, some of the tips and tricks, and we also have the famous Apple stickers, which I will never ever use, and I'm just gonna keep it, and some other paperwork over here. And we have the charging brick over here. So I got the UK power outlet port, not the port, I forgot what it's called. Anyways, there's some plastic on it. Find how to take it off. I cannot find how to take this off. Okay, I think this is how you do it. It just came off, and there's more plastic on this. Yay. I do not know how to take this off. Okay, here's a tab over here, I think. Okay, let me just, okay, I'm just gonna have to pull it off. Okay, there you go. So yeah, this slides in like that, and you have the charging brick. Okay, so let's set the box aside and let's take a look at the MacBook Pro 13-inch itself. So let's go ahead and, okay, my light just went out. Let me put it back on. Okay, there we go. Let me just flip this over, not drop it, and open this slowly. And okay, I need to use my other hand now. Great. Okay, so let's just slowly open this up and throw away that other plastic piece of wrapping away. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, we just need to turn this around and open it. There's a bit of some type of cover to protect the screen, and just gonna go ahead and set this up. The setup process, we have to select language and all of that, all the preferences and whatnot, and I think I'll see you guys after I'm done with all of this. So I'll see you guys in just a bit. As you can see here, I'm just going through the setup process. The setup process was really easy and fast, nothing too complicated, just really easy. And yeah, I had to set up the fingerprint, my iCloud and Apple ID and all of that. Okay, so here it says to choose the theme. I chose the dark because I really like it that way, and it talks about the True Tone display and everything else, and it sets up your Mac, and it just takes a few seconds, so a minute or so, to set up the iCloud and everything so that it's all ready to go. Yeah, so the screen is really nice, but I must say it is a really big fingerprint magnet. So yeah, it just loaded up. Here it is. Yeah, so Thank you for watching the unboxing. I'll see you guys in another one. See you.